So I've been sent stuff before by PALOVUE. One of the things would actually come in handy here because this car hasn't got Bluetooth audio streaming, and they do a little cable which, if you plug into the auxiliary and the USB there, it basically plays music through your audio system. Now this they've sent me, and it, like the last thing, the first thing you notice is the quality of the packaging. It's, you know, it's good enough to be an Apple product, really. And here we go. So that's the case. That's the case. Let's just get it out. I know for a fact that those bits are different foam ear pieces, and that's the charging cable. Did I charge it? I can't remember. Right. So there you go. That was, if I open that again, there you go. It's showing it's charging. Now, this might be difficult. In order to pair them, if I go to settings, Bluetooth, and then I'm watching here, those are all my phones connected. PALOVUE Sport Sound, so it's showing up already. So let's see if I can, PALOVUE Sport Sound. Click on that. So I actually heard it say connected then. There's so many things already connected. PALOVUE connected. So now, if I take these, and I've just took it in my ear and then turn it like so. So that's it, they're on. And here we go. If I go to music, I'll just click play but turn it down, and you see at the bottom there, if I click that, iPhone PALOVUE, and it will play. If I just turn it up, there you go. And also, if you tap for 1 second, that knocks to the next track. If you tap and hold for 3 seconds, that goes back a track. There you go. Tap twice, you get voice assistant. So it's really good. Also, if I can find it, there's an app to download. The app to download is this PALOVUE. If I click on there, connect, it's connecting. I'll just put it over here. Hopefully you can see better. So that's it connecting. So there's the app. As you can see there at the top, if I just move that, classic, let's find customize there, and then you can play about with your music, set it to your taste for your earphones, and I think it is really brilliant. There you go, that's for downloading new stuff. That's where it tells you there, single tap, play, pause, press for 1 second, next song, press for 3 seconds, previous song, double tap, voice assistant, calling mode, single mic. Now, if let's just go back to the music. So that's it playing through my headphones. I'll try and give you if I put that. So, I've got to say, I think they're pretty good. Can thoroughly recommend them. Thanks for watching.